Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Now a lot of you no doubt would have been following the Regina Daniels story. Regina Daniels is alleged to have married a 59-year-old billionaire, and Regina Daniels is of course 18. So this has gained a lot of notoriety and publicity within the Nigerian space. I did a video on this some time ago and that video went viral, and there was a lot of abuse. There were a lot of people debunking the story. They are saying, oh, where's the video evidence, etc. So now I bring you the latest development in that Regina Daniels storyline. So Regina Daniels steps out for first public appearance with her rumored husband Ned Nwoko. So, and there are photos to back this up as well. 20-year-old, so they're now saying she's 20-year-old. She was 19 or 18 the last time, but now she's now gone 2 years within the space of a few months. So 20-year-old actress Regina Daniels and her husband, and her rumored husband. So 20-year-old actress Regina Daniels and her rumored husband Ned Nwoko, 59, stepped out for their first public appearance today in Warri, Delta State. It had been rumored that the billionaire politician married Regina as his sixth wife, but neither confirmed it. This is the first time both are seen together in public since the news of their marriage began to circulate. So that is it, short and sweet. Regina Daniels has now stepped out with this man that is comfortably 3 times her age, who she's allegedly married to, and this is now more further affirmation of this relationship. So the people that have been coming to my comment section on my viral video that went round to debunk this story and to call me names, it is now time for you to come into that comment section and apologize to me, because Regina Daniels is now stepping out with a man, and that is just the state of play. And whatever it is that your thoughts are about how this young girl, I'm not even calling her a young lady, because I'm calling her a young girl because at 18 she is still a young girl. So whatever it is that your opinion is about how this young girl has chosen to live her life, she does have that choice because she has reached the age of consent, which is 18, and she now has that decision space to make a decision on how she wants her life to progress. I'm sure she would have consulted with her family, and this is a position that they have together now adopted. So Regina Daniels stepping out with whatever his name is, Ned Nwoko or whatever, the old man. I wouldn't even call him an old man, because 59 really is not an old man these days when people live forever. So Regina Daniels effectively stepping out. I don't even want to use the term sugar daddy, because he's not really a sugar daddy. He's a husband effectively, from all of the speculations and all of the indications that are emerging. So this is how effectively a debutante moment, stepping out into the limelight, saying this is me and this is the space that I occupy, and she occupies that space fully, and there you have it. So Regina Daniels, Ned Nwoko, my viral video, the abuse I got, this is my clap back. So now what says you, Mr. and Mrs. Oh, where's the video evidence? What do you have to say now? You don't have the video evidence, but now you have the photographic evidence. So now what next do you have to say? Conversations in the comment section regarding this. But before you come have that conversation with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Then come have a chat about this with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.